Hello guys, in this video I am going to show you how to manage third-party tools in the Airbnb application. But first I just want to mention, don't forget to subscribe to my channel, because at 10,000 subscribers I am going to show you my whole YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy, as well as how to make money online. Let's jump into it. First of all, open the application on your phone. And then click on the profile button at the bottom of the page on the right. And then at the settings section, click on the privacy and sharing button. And then click on the third party tools button. And as you can see, there are different categories like strictly necessary tools, functional tools, performance tools. And you can just see which are enabled, and you can just disable them and enable them however you want to. So just click on the white circle next to those that you want to disable or enable, and then if you're ready, just click on the save button. And that's pretty much it for this video, guys. See you in the next one. Goodbye.